Jane King, live at the NASDAQ. Brought to you by Circulus Digital Media, Indiana's locally owned digital media expert.
Jane begins with financial report cards from big banks.
Earnings season is here, Jane.
It is. It really kicks off later this week, Scott and Drew. So bank earnings are out this week. They could be ugly. JP Morgan Chase kicks things off. That's Thursday. Then Citigroup and Wells Fargo open their books on Friday. Now, investors worried about a recession will be scrutinizing these bank results on rising interest rates, loan repayments, consumer credit card use, things like that. Well, the Department of Transportation is warning airlines to stop charging extra for seating kids with their families. Now, this comes at a time when consumer complaints against airlines are up more than 300% above pre-pandemic levels. Now, Twitter has retained the services of a heavyweight law firm to sue Tesla CEO Elon Musk for dropping his $44 billion takeover of the company. Bloomberg reported yesterday that Twitter will file a lawsuit this week. Musk's team has raised concern about spam bots on the platform, and he had threatened to walk away from the deal if he didn't feel like Twitter gave him the information about how many automated spam accounts were on the site. And Cisco Corporation filed a lawsuit against the 4 largest meat processors, accusing them of fixing prices. Business Insider reports the suit alleges the company conspired to limit the number of cattle being slaughtered. The companies have previously defended their business practices against similar accusations, saying it's supply and demand that are driving the price of beef and cattle. Well, the NASDAQ rose Friday. It was a choppy day of trading. We had that better than expected jobs report, but that also means the Fed will probably stay on track for aggressive interest rate hikes. So the U.S. added 372,000 jobs in June. Today does look like we'll open down about 100 points or so. Live from the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
Hey, Jane, one of John Deere's popular lawnmowers is under recall.
That's right. So there have been some reports of minor injuries. So the Consumer Product Safety Commission issued a recall for the John Deere XC80 and XC90 lawn tractors. Now, the wheel hubs on those tractors were not manufactured correctly, and due to that issue, the wheel hubs can fail.
Probably worth underscoring those are different tractors than the ones we just saw. But if you need more information about that, John Deere's got it all on the top of their website.